Good morning. I'm Karthikeyan. I teach Geography Optional and Forestry Optional in Shankar AS Academy. Of course, you do know me. And this idea of geography daily answer writing practice is intended with a couple of objectives. Number one, to continue the rapport with the optional students where the batch has been over. Number two, all your feedback forms, most of your feedback forms, it has been mentioned that to have a daily answer writing practice, and which will help you to have more attendance in mains tests conducted in the institution. So that is another objective for it. Number three is we have also been during the times of orientation and over the classes, we discussed that I will be discussing the previous year question papers due to paucity of time, which was not possible. So I take this medium as an communication channel so that I will be able to complete and fulfill what I have told in the orientation class of the first day. Third and four, mains it's all about the mains. And if you have more answer writing practice, if you have been more comfortable with respect to mains, your journey becomes much more easier, right? So we'll be starting with respect to, in this video, I will be explaining you what is the idea of the session and how it will go on, right? So we'll be having with respect to geography daily answer writing practice. Of course, everything is geography. We'll be appreciating it. And the daily answer writing practice is being intended with four objectives. Number one, to understand the demand and context of the question. This is one particular thing in the feedback forms. It has also been mentioned why people are not able to come and appear on the examination without understanding the demand and context of the questions. It is not easy for you to write, and that reduces the confidence. So we'll work on it every day. It will be a daily process, and there will be a progress. Second thing, with respect to time management, as it has been already been mentioned multiple times in the class, 7 minutes for a 10 mark, 14 minutes for a 20 mark, take 10.5 minutes for a 15 mark, right? In space management, I would suggest you to use UPSC format answer sheets so that you stick to the space management. And third is, and fourth one is presentation and writing skill. So Indian geography is more about that. Multiple times I have also been discussed in the class. When it comes to Indian geography, memorize the syllabus, number one. Number two, our map reading classes, memorize it. Number two. Number three, with respect to current affairs orientation. Number four is writing skill. If you have it, the Indian geography will be over. You don't have to struggle the other areas. Then the format of this daily answer writing session will go on. This is day one. So the introduction has been there, and the questions for the day two will be provided in the video. And day two will have a discussion on day one questions, and also will be given for day three, right? Day three will have discussion on day two questions and the question for day four, and so on. Day four will have questions discussion on day three and questions for day five, day four, and day five. Right? Every day there will be 2 or 3 questions from UPSC previous year questions will be there every day, and this will be the format of it. And followed by the format, we'll have a discussion. The discussion video will cover 2 things: understanding the demand and context of the questions. Number 2 is what are the do's and don'ts in the interpretations? What are the possible mistakes that one do with respect to interpretations, and what should not be done and what should be addressed? That we'll be discussing. The answer discussion will also have similarly, a screen will be shared, and they will have a write-up of introduction, content, comfortable possible diagrams, and also a conclusion. All these are suggestions. The answer discussion is a suggestion. You can write even more better than me, right? So this will be the point of the day.